Golly, look at this wall cloud. Wow. Classic supercell tornado. Ongoing. Just west of I-70, just west of the Miccosukee Service Plaza. Ongoing tornado. Just crossed I-75. We're in the inflow. Classic wall cloud, rapid rotation. We're currently in the inflow, leading into this rapid rotation back in there. Rapid rotation. Large tornado in progress. West-northwest of the Miccosukee Service Plaza off I-75. Large tornado in progress. Moving north at this time, large wedge tornado in progress. Strong tornado continues over Big Cypress National Forest. It is 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Large tornado, multiple horizontal vortices. Large tornado in progress. Getting rain wrapped, still on the ground. Large tornado, long track tornado. It's been ongoing for about 15 minutes now. Large tornado.